Hello and welcome to App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can dislike an author on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Rednote app on your phone. After you do so, you can check out any videos, and in case you don't like the type of videos and want to dislike an author, all you need to do is tap on the video and tap on the screen of the video. Then you can see dislike author. Go ahead and tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, the author has now been disliked. So you can also choose for the feedback option. Go ahead and tap on the video, tap on dislike author, and tap on choose on the bottom of your screen. Now you can select which option you don't want, the creator or the topic. So after this, click on submit, and there you go. I hope this video about how you can dislike an author on the Rednote app was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.